Let's solve for a in these two cases here. So we have the first problem, 2a squared plus 8 equals to 0. So what are we solving for? A and not a to the second power. So the first thing we got to do is to what? Is to get rid of the 8 by doing negative 8 both sides, as usual. All right. So this is out. So we have 2a to the second power equals to negative 8. All right. And then we divide everybody by 2 and 2 because we're trying to leave a squared by itself. That gives us negative 4, right? So this is a squared equals to negative 4. So now as we see the problem at this point where this part is negative 4, remember, what are we trying to solve for? What's the number that when you square it, that means multiply by itself, we give you negative 4? That is the question. And especially in these cases, we're dealing with the space real numbers, okay, R. So we're dealing with R, real numbers. Okay, you guys remember that? So that's in the space in which we are. So what's going to happen for this one here, we're not going to have any number. Okay, there's no number within the real numbers space that will multiply itself that will give you negative 4. There's none. So in this case, this is no solution. So it's a no solution problem in our case here. All right. So now let's go for this one. 3a to the third power plus 81 equals to 0. Right. So like how we did it for the first problem. So we can do negative 81 both sides. All right. Negative 81 both sides. So this one is out. So you have 3. A to the third equals to negative 81. All right. Then what's going to happen? Then we can divide everybody by 3 and 3. And then a to the third is going to give us what? What is negative 81 divided by 3? It's negative 27. All right. Now in this case, this is a to the third power and not a to the second power. So we cannot treat them the same way. And the question also is, what's the number that will multiply itself 3 times to give you negative 27? That's what we're looking for. All right. And in this case, it's going to be negative 3. Why? Because when you take negative 3 times itself 3 times, that will give you negative 27. You can try. Negative 3 times negative 3 is what? Positive 9. Positive 9 times negative 3 is going to give you what? Negative 27. So in this case, a is equal to negative 3. Remember what we're solving for? Is negative 3. I mean, is a, sorry. All right. So your final answer here, a equals to negative 3 is correct. All right. And ladies and gentlemen, all the time you can, whenever you get an answer, you can take that and substitute in the problem there to see if you're going to get it right or wrong, to check it out. We can always do that. Okay. All right. Thank you.